you gonna say to me?
You.
What were you gonna say to me?
You.
You're good at.
Make a tag zone. Make a tag zone.
What?
Make a tag zone.
Playing your guitar.
Move faster on that 160. You could definitely move faster on that 160. I do.
Me?
Dog,
Yeah.
simply just uncripple it. Get your other controller.
Yeah.
Quest 3 controller. Alright. Playing on Quest 2.
What, do you literally miss me? Oh no.
How did you miss that? I'm gonna do a juke on you. Papa. Come on, please shake me.
You didn't know what was somebody.
Okay. Oh, he fell. Something wrong with me.
Yeah.
I juked you like 5 times. Go back.
Oh my god, that was horrid.
What are you doing?
Nope, I'm gonna hit something.